I'm going to discuss about how to check the file size using Unix command. So there I'm going to use the segment terminal, and on this place if I write pwd, so this is the percent working directory, and ls there is no any files. So that I'm going to use the or this draw underscore data directory. So let's use the and going to use the cd command, and now giving here backslash, and now if I write ls, then you can see this list of files that's available. So thereafter if I write there ls minus leh, so here you can see or this displaying all the file including hidden file and their size. So emptxt has 111 or kb and 137, and this here 1.3 render.csv 1.3 MB. Now if you want to get the particular of file size, some particular file size especially, so let's use the ls minus leh, then give the file name render.csv. So here you can see or this read write operation you can do, and this is the honor, and 1.3 MB is the size. This created on this I guess 13 at this time. So 1.3 MB is there. Now thereafter let's use their du, then minus b, and if you write there render csv, then you can get or this byte format. So this is MB, and now this is byte format. B is there, so byte format the size that's displayed. To get there MB you can write M, then you can see or 2 MB that's displaying 2, that's displaying there. Thereafter the next is or right there to show the size file in megabyte. So right there ls, by using ls command we can also get there ls minus l, then right there block minus size equal to capital M. So now this all displaying or the file that is in MB. So 1 M less than or M1 MB is there, that's considered 1 M. There is nothing inside there, then 0 M, and here 2 M that's displaying. The exact size of this rental CSV is 1.3, so that it's displaying 2. Now to get there in KB write K. So here you can see 1281K that's displaying, 1K that's displaying. So to get there or MB or KB you can write this command or ls minus l block size M, and thereafter this here ls minus l law, this all displaying the file size 1.3. To get the exact file size, so instead of writing ls minus law you can write there ls minus, and here this or giving the exact file size du minus b render csv 1310759 is the byte size of this file. So different way we can get their file size using Unix command. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.